Hello everybody, it's Coach K with MajortoCareer.org. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. I decided to start this channel as a way to help professionals make those valuable connections from major to career, because I must admit, in the over 13 years I worked in higher education institutions, the hardest thing was not so much even selecting the major, but also making sure that it was a return on investment, that purposeful action of connecting that degree to something in the current job market was extremely difficult for the professionals I worked with. And so many of them would actually graduate without pursuing any type of job, that go back home, or that end up doing something in a different industry. Sometimes they would go back to the service industry. And so it just, to me, didn't make sense. Why would you go to college, pursue a degree that is so lucrative, but because of the failure and support, not be able to make it work in the current market? And so this channel is going to help you do exactly that. Today, we're going to cover the accounting major. If you're interested in your options within that degree, stay tuned. Folks, career professionals like myself rely heavily on the occupational handbook by the Bureau of Labor Statistics to be able to help you as a professional make those connections from major to your career in terms of return on investment, which is pay, and also the value in the current market, particularly within the next 5 to 10 years. And so when it comes to the accounting major, you absolutely do not have to worry. The accounting major is predicted to grow a rate of 7%, which is absolutely amazing. We're looking at a median salary of about $70,000, with entry-level positions beginning as much as $50,000 with your bachelor's degree. And so this is absolutely of value as you look at. And then obviously, if you continue to grow, maybe you get higher education within this degree and more work experience, then you're looking at probably over $90,000. And so it is absolutely of value in the market. I think it's one of those degrees that you cannot go wrong. And so feel confident in your choice to pursue accounting. The first job title you should look out for when you're interested in this degree is that of an accountant. And so again, one of the benefits of these direct connect majors is that with that degree, if you just plug that in any job search engine of your choice. Many of you know that I have some favorite job search engines that I feel are current, that were not there in the past during my day. That is LinkedIn Jobs, which is becoming a really popular one. If you plug that in, you'll be able to see job titles. You can also take a look at Indeed.com. And then sometimes a generalized Google search can also help you to be able to connect those pieces together. And so this is a job title that you should take a look at if you are pursuing this degree in the given market that you would like to practice, and I think that you'll find it rewarding. Second job title is something you may not think about, but is that of a budget analyst. And so that is, again, another important role that accountancy majors can actually pursue, because what you're doing is you're helping that entity, that organization, that nonprofit be able to organize their budgets and come out positive at the end of the year. I can't tell you how many of these organizations have a lot of expenditures. And so this is definitely a job title for you to consider. I think what's great about it is that it does help you in multifaceted occupations. So it's great that you can be able to choose who you want to work with, right? Because it's nice to know that, you can work for an entity, a corporation, and maybe because, you have a humanitarian heart, you may feel helpful working and helping a nonprofit. So definitely a job title that you should take a look at. Last job title I will talk about is that of an auditor. What I love about this job title is that you audit and you're able to help a company, an entity, or organization just make sense of the expenditures. Where is the money actually going? When people want to review and they want to make sure that everything is to a T and precise to keep that entity or organization moving. And so you're actually giving back to these entities and organizations and nonprofits in a way that actually is holistic and can really help them continue with their business. So definitely take a look at this job title. And so folks, there you have it. Now you know it's YouTube, so I can't talk about every single job title, but I hope that I was able to introduce you to a few that you could think about. But as always, in every video in the information bar, I will have an exhaustive list of every job title I was able to see. And then what you can do is you can access them on the job search databases and be able to see which one might be a good fit for you. All right, folks, there you have it. Thank you again for watching. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. That way you can be abreast of any new videos when it comes to academic options. What I plan to actually host in this channel is all the academic information that you need, whether it's undergrad degree, master's, PhD, when it comes to internships, externships, when it comes to research opportunities, and when it comes to making those valuable connections within your degree, connecting with employers, networking, and things of that nature. So stay tuned for exciting videos to come. And thank you again if you are returning, and let me know if you have any questions. So what do you think? Are these videos helpful so far? Do you guys find this rewarding as you're kind of looking to see what to explore when it comes to academic options? Leave me a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, bye.